crumble under timeless vibration. Drums summon echoes across each nation. Shattered illusions dissolve like rain. Truth engraves freedom inside each vein. Flames ignite pathways carved through stone. Silent revolutions refuse the throne. Mountains awaken with ancient cries. Voices assemble beneath shifting skies. Rivers deliver forgotten commands. Stars illuminate unbroken hands. Shadows retreat when horizons rise. Destiny shimmers through unveiled eyes. Iron dissolves where intentions stand. Fury transforms into sacred land. Dreams manifest through relentless sound. Victory pulses where hearts are bound. Chains unravel with thunderous grace. Storms reveal courage the past erased. Oceans remember the names once lost. Sacrifice teaches the worth of cost. Lightning engraves revelations true. Power emerges from skies once blue. Footsteps awaken forgotten ground. Strength multiplies where resolve is found. Winds carry whispers of hidden flame. Crowns fall silent when justice came. Time bends forward with steady flow. Unity blossoms and kingdoms grow. Breath becomes armor against